Welcome to our guide on starting a healthy eating plan. Adopting a balanced diet can boost your energy levels, improve mental clarity, support weight management, and enhance your overall well-being. Today, we'll delve into the essentials of creating a healthy eating plan that sets you on the path to achieving your ultimate health goals. Number 1. Assess your current diet. Begin by tracking what you eat for a week. This will help identify areas for improvement. Number 2. Set clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve with your healthy eating plan, whether it's weight loss, increased energy, or improved overall health. Number 3. Plan balanced meals. Aim for a mix of vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Make sure each meal has a good balance of nutrients. Number 4. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating, even with healthy foods. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support digestion and overall health. Number 6. Prepare meals ahead. Plan and prep your meals in advance to ensure you stick to your healthy eating goals. Number 7. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger cues and eat until you're satisfied, not full. By following these steps, you're well on your way to embracing a healthier lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key, and small changes can lead to significant results over time. This video is only for educational purposes only. Always consult a doctor before using these tips. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Thanks for joining us on this journey towards better health.